This video will demonstrate how to install an Enerlites USB receptacle with an interchangeable module. For this installation, you will need a screwdriver, wire strippers, and a voltage tester. First, turn off the power to the existing receptacle that you are replacing. Take off the wall plate and gently pull out the receptacle. Use a voltage tester to make sure the proper circuit breaker was turned off. To remove the existing receptacle, unscrew and loosen the wires from their terminals. Remove the wires and separate them from each other. You may need to trim and strip the wires to a workable length for your new device. Locate the black hot wire. Insert the wire into either of the openings labeled hot on the back of the device. Then tighten the corresponding terminal screw to secure it in place. Next, locate the white neutral wire and do the same. Finally, locate the green or bare ground wire. Loosen the green screw on the device and insert the ground wire underneath the brass contact of the rivet. Then tighten the screw to fasten. Neatly push the wires into the electrical box and secure the receptacle to the box. Replace the wall plate and finally, turn the power back on. Once the receptacle is installed, replacement of dead or damaged ports is easy. The USB interchangeable module allows for fast and quick changes without handling live wires. First, remove the wall plate. Then, using a slotted screwdriver, pry off the module. Push in the new module and replace the wall plate. Enerlites interchangeable modules are patent approved. Mix and match module configurations and learn how else Enerlites can add value to your project at Enerlites.com.